First, we cut off the root. Now we cut the onion in half, dividing it through the tip. Now we need to peel off the outer layers of the onion. Depending on the freshness of the onion, you might need to peel off more layers than I do. And if you find this very thin and slippery layer like I did here, I would recommend you remove that one too, as it is easier to cut the onion later on. Now when you cut the onion, don't cut all of it, only cut 3/4 like I show you here. Don't cut all of it, only 3/4. Place the tip upwards and then start cutting it. Only 3/4 so the onion keeps together nicely. Now watch out for your fingertips when you reach the end. So I'll show you again. I only cut 3/4 so the onion keeps together. I turn around the onion and now you can start dicing it. Watch out for your fingertips again. When you reach the tip of the onion, just cut it off, put it away, and you're done. Happy cooking!